Hey, what's up, guys? We just arrived at Urban Brew Studios, so we're here to make TV. This is Urban Brew Studios. I just got here with my people, and I'm gonna make TV. You know, some of us, we're just here, and we have to make your lives better by being here, and so that you can enjoy at home and watch TV and watch us. It's fine. Just that just know that we're gonna have fun. Anyway, this is Randburg Urban Brew Studios. We're gonna have some fun. So if you wanna join, just make sure I'm gonna go live on my Instagram, and I'll be doing a lot of things from my Instagram and YouTube. I'll go live, especially when I'm done registering, because now we're still registering. I'm gonna be inside that side. We'll be registering, and yeah, I think today we're gonna do the outskirts. Yeah, just make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah. Sure. Hot host, your most loved, your most trusted. Checking in for work, essential workers. Urban Brew Studios. We shall do scripting. Okay. So guys, yeah, this is me checking in. So it's gonna be better, it's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be greater. It's an expanding one. Let's work, guys. Support me, but so guys, we're just working here in essential workers. And make sure TV TV I was really. So guys, Urban Brew Studios, here I come. Let me check in. Waiting to be collected because it's a huge studio with a lot of different places. I don't know which one I'm supposed to be at. Hey, I better distance. I want to do that one yaga. So, hey, when I really got it like John. Sure, maybe I get a little yeah, then after. For sure, do like come fellow. Yeah, I want to do that. I'm begging you to go to lunch. Can you go to lunch? Marago. Just that you look nice. Oh. I went in, took my number, and now it's time to go back to me. Good luck. Enjoy. Have fun. I'm done. Back. You know, this number doesn't stick on my chest because material is cool. My material is not agreeing. You guys. Essential workers at work. Essential, very essential. So guys, you must make sure that you watch this thing. You're gonna see flames. This is me making TV. Check out how I look. The boring part is that my number doesn't stick on my Barely, because of the material I used. It's not because of anything else, but my material that I used is not allowing me to stick this thing on. But anyway, I think everything's gonna be fine. Check my flick. Look. Check out my lashes. I mean, like, lash lights. Looking pretty. It's nice being pretty, isn't it? I'm gonna make TV, guys. See you on TV. Mwah. Love you. Yeah, we're still here, we're still working, we're still doing the things, making the things that make it possible to be done. So are you wondering if I'm a girl or a boy? Well, I think I know, I don't know. We're just giving you a nice quarantine show while you stay at home and watch us. You stay at home, you watch us. We make TV for you, baby. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be better. Check me out. As you can see, I'm hot. I'm fuming. Lashes on fleek. Bros, I don't even want to pick him. Everything else is so good, so bad. Like it's all really young. But hey, let's make TV. Yeah guys, we're still here making TV, making sure you quarantine and chill. And you enjoy yourselves, making sure that you guys enjoy yourselves. Let's go, child. I'm here for you. I'll keep you busy. Make sure you enjoy being at home. Don't worry, don't fuss. No rush, no time. By the way. Oh, left my bag here. No rush, no rush. Behind away like a new dog. I'm tired of this mask thing. I'm not wearing it. If I die, I die. Like a man, I mean like a woman. I mean like. Guys, I'm going now. We on. Well guys, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. We're calling it a day. Yo, it's been a long one. And now we are going home, guys. It's been very great. I just hope you're gonna like everything. Yeah, same way you like everything I've shown you previously. So even now you're gonna love this. You're gonna love it, you're gonna fall in love with it. And this is me, your boy, signing out. For real things. Thank you. NKUPI the entertainer. This is me leaving. See you next year. So they're taking me, squatting me out.
Please take it off.
Oh,
Sorry.
no problem.
I need a contestant.
Asichai. Hi guys, we are done here. As I was saying, we're still gonna meet, we're still gonna enjoy, we're still gonna have fun, but hey, I'm done with today's work. We are still gonna be here. So basically when you see this, it will be very late. I'm gonna upload this and you're gonna subscribe later on around September. So this is actually, guys, I'm having a nice day. Yeah guys, these are my colleagues. Look at Pro and look at the media cars, my future parking. So you can see, guys, we're working, CBs, we're doing the things, like we're killing it. Well, I'm calling it a day, and this is how I wrap up my day. See you later on. Hope you had fun, you enjoyed, and everything is lit. As from me, NKUPI the entertainer, and Brew signing out. Mwah. Bye. Remember to subscribe.